హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో మనము హైదరాబాద్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ప్రీ ఫైనల్ 2 క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ విత్ ఆన్సర్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ముందుగా పార్ట్ ఏ సెక్షన్ 1. సెక్షన్ 1లో 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. చాయిస్ ఉండదు. 2 మార్క్స్ ఈచ్. టోటల్ వెయిటేజ్ 12 మార్క్స్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫైండ్ ద సెంట్రాయిడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ whose vertices are 2, 3, 1 minus 2, 6, 5. So centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. ఇచ్చిన పాయింట్స్ని x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 అనుకొని ఫార్ములాలో రిప్లేస్ చేయాలి. సో మనం ఫార్ములాలో రిప్లేస్ చేశాక 2 plus 1 plus 6 is 9 by 3, 3 minus 2 plus 5 by 3 is 6 by 3. So centroid value is 3, 2. Second question, write a is equal to x such that x is equal to 1 by n square, n belongs to natural number, n is less than or equal to 5 in rooster form. ఇది సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్లో ఉంది, మనం రూస్టర్ ఫామ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. సో రూస్టర్ ఫామ్ ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే 1 బై ఎన్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1 బై 1 స్క్వేర్, 1 బై 2 స్క్వేర్, 1 బై 3 స్క్వేర్, 1 బై 4 స్క్వేర్, 1 బై 5 స్క్వేర్. ఎందుకంటే ఇది స్క్వేర్ రూపంలో ఉంది కాబట్టి. సో 1 by 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 16, 1 by 25 is set A in rooster form. Verify whether the mean of first 7 odd numbers is odd or even. మనము ఫస్ట్ 7 odd numbers ఏంటో చూద్దాము. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Mean అంటే sum of observations by number of observations. We have to add all the observation by number of observation. There are 7 odd numbers, so divide by 7. Adding, we get 49 by 7, which is 7. So in the question asked is whether the given mean is odd number or even number. So clearly 7 is an odd number. Divide the line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeters in 5 equal parts. So first ఒక line draw చేయాలి AB అని 6 centimeters తో. So 5 equal parts. Take the compass, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 all are equal parts. So last part ని జాయిన్ చేశాక parallel line కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలి. So x4 p4, x3 p3, x2 p2, x1 p1. So all are equal to each other. This is how we divide a line segment of 6 centimeters in 5 equal parts. If sin b is equal to 7 by 25, find the value of cos b. Sin b is equal to 7 by 25. Sin formula is opposite by hypotenuse. So for theta opposite is 7. So we have to take AC as 7. Hypotenuse is 25. Based on Pythagoras triad, if 7, 25, the other side will be 24. So cos b is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent to theta is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. So value of cos b is 24 by 25. Sixth question, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, AD is equal to x, BD is equal to x minus 3, A is equal to x plus 3, EC is equal to x minus 1. Find the value of x. So given AD is equal to x, BD is equal to x minus 3, A is equal to x plus 3, EC is equal to x minus 1. So D is parallel to BC, so we have to apply basic proportionality theorem, which is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So AD is x, DB is x minus 3, AE is x plus 3, EC is x minus 1. When two fractions are equated, we have to do cross multiplication. X into x minus 1 is equal to x minus 3 into x plus 3. X into x is x square, x into 1 is x. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So x square minus 3 square. So clearly x square on either side will be get cancelled. Minus x is equal to minus 9. Obviously x will become 9. So the value of x is 9. We'll see section 2, first question, which is 7. Prove that root 3 plus root 7 is an irrational number. To prove root 3 plus root 7 is irrational, we have to assume root 3 plus root 7 as rational. So rational number means which is in the form of a by b. So root 3 plus root 7 is a by b. Obviously root 7 is equal to a by b minus root 3. Plus root 3 goes to other side, will become minus root 3. We have to square on both sides. 7 is equal to a square by b square plus 3 minus 2 into ab into root 3. So on doing the calculation, root 3 is equal to a square minus 4b square by b square into b by 2a, which is a integers. All these numbers a, b, 2, 4 are integers. Obviously if they are integers, this will become a rational number. So if right side is rational number, obviously left side will also become rational. So we know that root 3 is not rational. Therefore this is contradiction to our assumption that root 3 is rational. Therefore root 3 plus root 7 is irrational number. Eighth question. If A is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, B is equal to 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, then prove that n of A plus n of B is equal to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. So n of A means the elements which are there in A, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in A there are 5 elements, so number of elements in A is 5. In B there are 6 elements, number of elements in B is equal to 6. Which we have to write together. అంటే రెండు కలిపి రాసేదాన్ని A union B అంటాం అనమాట. So A and B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And n of A union B, number of elements in A union B is clearly 9. So to find n of A intersection B, first we have to calculate A intersection B, which is common elements in both the sets. 3 is common, 4 is also common in both sets. So A intersection B is 3, 4. Number of elements in A intersection B is 2. So we need to prove n of A plus n of B is equal to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. So n of A plus n of B is 11 and n of A union B plus n of A intersection B, which is 9 plus 2, is also 11. Clearly left hand side and right hand side are equal. We can say that n of A plus n of B is equal to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. Hence it is verified. Express sin theta in terms of tan theta and secant theta. So sin theta formula is root over 1 minus cos square theta. It is based on the identity 1. So sin theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by secant square theta. We know the reciprocal of cos is secant. So cos theta is equal to secant theta. Cos square theta is will become 1 by secant square theta. Secant square 1 is secant square minus 1 whole divided by secant square. Sin theta we expressed in terms of secant theta. So one of the problem is solved. Now we have to solve, convert sin theta in terms of tan theta. So secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. This is based on the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So when secant square theta will become 1 plus tan square theta. So in the place of secant square theta minus 1, I am replacing with tan square theta based on this identity, and secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So square root cancel, tan theta by root over 1 plus tan square theta. So we have converted sin theta in terms of secant theta and sin theta in terms of tan theta. 10th question. A person observes the top of a pole AB from a point Q at an angle of elevation 30 degrees. After walking to a point P 50 meters towards the pole, he observes the top of the pole again with some angle of elevation. If the distance between P and B is 25 meters, find the height of the pole. So as per the question, this is the diagram. So a person is observing the top of the pole A with making an angle 30 degrees, and he moved from Q to P point with 50 meters, and the distance between P and B is 25 meters. Clearly it is given in the question. These three conditions: 30 degrees, QP is 50 degrees, 50 meters, and PB is 25 meters. We need to find angle P in this question. In triangle AQB, tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent, which is AB by QB, which is 75. AB by 75. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. When two fractions are equated, we have to do cross multiplication. AB into root 3 is equal to 75 ones are 75. So AB is equal to 75 by root 3. So root 3 should not be there in the denominator. We have to rationalize. Root 3 into root 3 is 75 root 3 by 3, which is 25 root 3 meters. So AB, height of the pole is 25 root 3 meters. But our target is not finding the height of the pole. We have to find the theta, angle P here. In triangle APB, tan P is equal to, we have to take opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB, adjacent is PB. So AB height of the pole, we got it as 25 root 3 and PB is 25. So tan P is equal to 25, 25 cancel root 3. In tan, root 3 will be for 60 degrees, therefore angle P is equal to 60 degrees. So we found out angle P, which is 60 degrees. 11th question. The radius and height of a joker cap are 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively. If 1884 centimeters square paper is available, find the number of caps that can be manufactured from the paper sheet. Given radius of the cone is 6 centimeters and height of the cone is 8 centimeters, therefore slant height will become 10 centimeters based on the Pythagoras triad. So number of caps is nothing but area of the sheet required by curved surface area of the cone. Area of the sheet is given as 1884 by Curved surface area of cone formula is pi RL. Pi value I am assumed it as 3.14 into 6 into 10 because radius is 6, slant height is 10. So after calculation 1884 by 188.4, which is nothing but 10. So number of caps can be made using the paper sheet of 1884 is 10. There is a rectangular board of dimension 6 feet by 4 feet fixed to a wall. There is a square portion in it with its sides 2 centimeter 2 feet. If a ball is thrown on the board, find the probability that it falls on the square region. So we'll take a diagram. There is a rectangle with measurement 6 feet and 4 feet, and there is a square in between the rectangle which is of side 2 feet by 2 feet. So area of rectangle is 24 square feet. Area of square is 4 square feet. 6 fours are 24, 2 twos are 4. So probability of event falling ball in the square box is favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So favorable is square, which is 4 feet, and total area of this wall is 24 square feet. 4 by 24 is 1 by 6. We'll see section 3. It's a long answers. We need to attempt 4 questions out of 6. Each question carries 6 marks. Total weightage is 24. 13th question. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 6 centimeters and equal sides are 4 centimeters. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 3/4 times of corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. The construction looks like this. First, we need to draw a triangle with the given measurements. So 3/4 means the triangle will be the inside of the given triangle ABC. First, we need to make 4 equal parts. Draw a ray BX and make into 4 equal parts using compass. Then join fourth part, and we need to draw a line parallel to B4C from B3C dash. We have to draw from only from B3 because in the question it is asked 3 by 4. So third part we have to draw a parallel line from B4C. So again we need to draw another parallel line to AC from C dash to A dash. So this is triangle. The blue colored part is our required triangle A dash B C dash. Draw the graph of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 and find the zeros. Before drawing the graph in the graph paper, we need to take the points like this. So we have to assume y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4, keeping the value of x as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get y values as 14, 6, 0, minus 4, minus 6, minus 6, minus 4, 0. So these points should be plotted in the graph sheet. So after plotting the points, the graph looks like this. Clearly, the graph is meeting the x-axis at minus 1 and 4. So minus 1 and 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. We'll see 17th question. The distribution below gives the weight of 50 students in a class. This is the data. Find the median weight of the students. So we need to find the median for this question. So for median, we need to take 3 boxes like this. One is class interval, frequency, less than cumulative frequency. Given frequencies, we have to arrange like this. And in the LCF, we need to keep on adding first observation till last observation. So keeping first observation as it is, 4 plus 7 is 11, 4 plus 7 plus 8 is 19, 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 15 is 34, 34 plus 7 is 41, 41 plus 6 is 47, 47 plus 3 is 50. So whenever median is there, immediately you have to find n by 2 to find the median class. So we will get median class only by finding the value of n by 2. N is 50, 50 by 2 is 25. 25 lies after this LCF. So this class is called median class. So once after finding the median class, we have to take the formula of median, which is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L is lower frequency of the median class, which is 55. Replace L value with 55 plus n by 2 value we got it as 25. CF. So this 19 will become CF, and frequency 15 is the frequency, and H is the length of the class interval, which is 5. 55 to 60 difference is 5, so H will be 5. So 25 minus 19 is 6. 55 plus 6 5s are 30 by 15. 30 by 15 value is nothing but 2. 15 ones are 15 twos are. 52 plus 2 is 57. Our answer should always lies between this median class limit 55 to 60. 57 is clearly lies between 55 to 60. Therefore, median is 57. Solve the following pair of equation by reducing to a pair of linear equation. 14 by 2x plus 3y minus 1 by 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. 7 by 2x plus 3y plus 4 by 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. This is a question from pair of linear equation in two variables. Having the x and y in the denominator, it is really difficult to do the problem. So we have to assume 1 by 2x plus 3y as a, first one, and 1 by 2x minus 3y as b. Every time we have to do the process for this type of question like this. I repeat, 14 into 1 by 2x plus 3y. 1 by 2x plus 3y should be taken as a, and 1 by 2x minus 3y should be considered as b. So this term will become 14a. So many students will write as 14 by a. It is wrong. 1 by 2x plus 3y. 14 into 1 by 2x plus 3y is a. So 14a. 1 by 2x minus 3y is 1b, which is 1. Again, converting these equation in terms of a and b, 7 by 2x plus 3y. 7 means 7 into 1. So 1 by 2x plus 3y I have assumed as a. So 7a. 4 and 1 by 2x minus 3y we have considered as b. So 4b is equal to 5. So once you have converted this given pair of linear equations in terms of a and b, now we have to solve 1 and 2 equation. On solving 1 and 2, we got the value of a and b as 1 by 7 and b as 1. So after here the problem does not end. Solve means we need to find a and b. Here clearly we got solve means x and y. Finding x and y is our target in the question. Convert 1 by 2x plus 3y as a and 1 by 2x minus 3y as b. So A value we got it as 1 by 7 after solving 1 and 2 equation, and B value we got it as 1 by 1, which is 1. So clearly numerator will get cancelled. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. We will take as third equation, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. We will consider it as fourth equation. Now solving 3 and 4. I told whenever such type of questions will be there in the denominator x and y, we need to do the elimination method two times. Already one time we got a and b. Now again solving 3 and 4 will get the value of x and y. So plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. 2x plus 2x is 4x. 7 plus 1 is 8. So x is equal to 8 by 4, which is 2. Solving x in any one of the equation, we will get y value as 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution for the given question. Thank you for watching, students.